I recently updated my video intro. I'm going to show you how I built this one. The first thing you need to do is design your logo. Tap the icon in the upper left hand corner, then tap on titles. Any graphic or animation created in LumaFusion usually starts off with a blank title. Choose a blank title and drop it in the main timeline. Double tap the title to open the clip editor. Tap where it says your text here on the right hand side and then tap the trash can to throw the text away. Next, tap the add layer icon, the plus sign, to add a shape. I'm going to add a 3 pixel line, so I'll select that shape now. There it is. Instead of manually resizing the line so it fits all the way across the screen, I'm going to scroll down and locate the property called Scale. This is how you adjust the size of any shape on the title pane. Move the slider labeled Scale X to the right so that the line fits all the way across the screen. Move the slider labeled Scale Y to the right to make the line a little bit thicker than it is. To make another line that has the same properties as the first one, I'll just tap the duplicate icon and then move the second line into position. That looks good. Now I'll add another layer. This one will be text. Use the capabilities of your editing software to speed up your workflow. I like to make my editing software work for me, not the other way around. I'll tap the add layer icon once more and choose text instead of shape. And I'll move the text up a little bit so that it fits in between the two lines. I'll double tap the text box to type in it. This is my channel name. That looks okay, but I think I want to change the font, so I'll tap on Font and choose a font that I want. Here's an important tip. If your channel is monetized and you run ads on your videos, make sure to use a font that comes inside your editing software. Using a downloaded font improperly can result in a copyright claim made by the creator of that font, especially if you're making money. Because I paid for LumaFusion, I can use any font for free. That looks great. I'll add one more text layer so that I can put my value statement on the screen. I provide tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. I'll tap the add layer icon once more, move the text box into position, and type my value statement. If you don't like an aspect of your design, you can always change it later. Later on in the video, you'll see that I may remove the top line. That looks good. The next step is to change the color and style of the logo. I'm going to duplicate this logo quite a few times and change the color and style each time. I'll hit the duplicate icon and then change the color and style of the second logo. I'll double tap it to open the clip editor. And I'll choose one of the default styles that I like. I think we'll start with yellow and blue. I chose to use the default style settings because the properties for each color, such as the opacity and width of the edge color and face color, are automatically set properly. Then I'm going to continue making duplicates, and I'll just swap out the colors. So for example, if I start with yellow and blue, my next title screen will have the colors blue as the face color and yellow as the edge color, like you see here. Next, I'm going to use blue, red, and swap those two. You can add as many colors as you like. Don't worry about how long your intro gets, because I'm going to speed it up in the end. This process takes the most time when creating this type of intro. I've sped up the video to save time. This one I'm using a blue face color and a red edge color. Don't forget to apply the changes to all of your elements so they look the same. Now I'll use a white edge color with a blue face color, and then a blue edge color with a white face color in the next title. The number of colors you have is up to you. Now I'll do a white edge color with a black face color. So that it looks like that. I'll make one more duplicate so I can add a custom teal color. This is a color that you might have seen on my channel before if you've watched a lot of my videos. To add a custom color, just type the hex code in the text box provided. Tap anywhere on the screen to dismiss the color wheel and change the color. Now I'll do one more title screen that has a solid teal color and a black edge color. Once again, just swap the colors. In the face color property, type the hex code for whatever color you want to use. Make sure the edge color is set to black so that the text is more legible. That's better. Then export the video and bring it back into LumaFusion. I've got 2 copies of the same clip here, so I can take a look at what they look like. Any good video intro should be between 3 and 5 seconds at maximum. You want to be able to get directly to your content. Now that we've exported the video, you can see that we have the ability to change the speed of the second clip. To speed up playback of the second clip, move the speed slider to 2.00x. Notice that the default speed is 1.00x. This plays the clip at the speed that it was recorded. You'll also notice that speeding up a video clip makes the entire video shorter. This is what I want, because this is just a video intro. It should be between 3 and 5 seconds. Once you've got your speed set, back out of the clip editor and take a look at your clip to see how fast it plays. That looks good. You don't want to speed it up too fast because you want to make sure that you can see all of the title screens. The next thing I'm going to do is remove the first clip so that the entire clip is only 1.20 seconds long. Here's a clip I made that contains some audio I want to use for this intro. I don't care about the video, so I'll long press on the clip and bring it down into the timeline underneath my video track. As you can see, it turns green. This means that I can use the audio from this video. It will sound like that. That's perfect. Once I've got my audio included and sounding the way I want it, I'll export the final video clip and save it in the cloud so that I can use it on all of my videos. Tap the export icon, tap movie. I'll make sure the resolution is 1080p because that's the resolution I usually upload my YouTube videos at. And then I'll tap the export icon one more time. Once you've named your file properly, tap the export icon once more, and the movie will be exported and saved to your iCloud drive. Remember to use the capabilities of your editing software to speed up your workflow.